Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.2, Problem 17. This is Section 2.2, Problem 17. It says find the prime factorization of the number, write repeated factors using exponents. So what primes multiply to make 60? So let's start splitting it up. Find any two numbers that multiply to make a 60. I'll start with 6 times 10. This isn't the only way to start, but it's the first thing that jumps into my head. Neither one is prime, so we can split each one down a little bit more. The 6 can be written as 2 times 3, and the 10 can be written as 2 times 5. Now everything's prime. There's nothing else to be split down anymore. Now it says use exponents to write repeated factors. So since the 2 shows up twice, we'll use some exponents for that. So I'll say 60 equals 2 to the second power, because there's 2 of them. I'll put the 3 next. It's traditional to go in order. You don't have to, and then I'll put 5. So 60 equals 2 to the second power times 3 times 5.